Apologies. I just had to quickly get food because there was food delivery. So yeah, let's continue where we were. What we discussed was the text completion. So it completes text. The GPT models they complete text like that. But when it comes to zero shot, a zero shot is the ability for them to generalize or do completely unseen tasks without any specific examples that they've been given. For example, what we can do is we can ask it, translate translate English English to German. We'll see how these models are trained. These models are not we never trained them. We don't train this model to to do translation, but it starts getting some of these capabilities, these zero shot capabilities. We can because we can ask it translate English to German, and we give it breakfast, the word breakfast, and here it will write again. I'm going to respect the language, and just write it down. Um, that's what that's what it will write, right? Because it's zero shot, and that's a capability that it has gained without explicitly being trained to do the translation. And then other capabilities that these models get, like few shot. Few shot just means give it a few examples and it will perform a task. So if we say we give it words like this equal to goat and this word, and then we say equal to shoe, and then we give it P or HNE, it it will return phone, phone, because we have given it a few examples, and that is few short. So we've discussed what the transformer architecture is like, and the main ones are BET-based models and the GPT-based models or GPT-like models. BET-like models and GPT. The BET models, they are trained using it, and the difference largely is the training paradigm or the training mechanism. BET is trained using what is called masked word prediction. You mask some words, you train it for it to predict the right words to fill in, and then for the GPT, we train it so that it generates text. But oh, but in basic format, basically this is what the transformer looks like. It has this encoder that takes the input text to change to embeddings, and the embeddings are passed on to the decoder. The decoder then decodes and performs the task. In our example here, it was translation. And if you want, you can read this paper by Google. Attention is all you need. And this is how they showed what it was. But emphasis again, do not stress about what softmax layer is doing. We are going to build what is a softmax layer. We're actually going to build this attention. We're going to see how this mechanism or this transformer mechanism was built, and we're going to show how these models become billions of parameters because in some models you repeat this transformer block. This is called a transformer block. You repeat it 24 times, or in some models 36 times, and all of that. So we'll see it later. But for now, let's just move on to the next section.